Hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe and the third most abundant on the surface of the globe, is being visualized as a major future source of the energy. Hydrogen has the simplest atomic structure among all the elements around us in nature. In atomic form, it consists of only one proton and one electron. However, in elemental form, it exists as a diatomic astromolecule and is called dihydrogen. It forms more compounds than any other element. Do you know that the global concern related to the energy can be overcome to a great extent by the use of the hydrogen as a source of the energy. In fact, hydrogen is of the great industrial importance, as you will learn in this unit. Position of hydrogen in the periodic table. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. However, its placement in the periodic table has been a subject of discussion in the past. As you know by now that the elements in the periodic table are arranged according to their electronic configurations. Hydrogen has electronic configuration 1 is 1. On one hand, its electronic configuration is similar to the outer electronic configuration Ns1 of alkali metals, which belong to the first group of the periodic table. On the other hand, like halogens, it is short by one electron to the corresponding noble gas configuration helium 1s2. Hydrogen therefore has resembles to alkali metals, which loses one electron to form un unipositive ions, as well as with halogen with gain one electron to form uninegative ion. Like alkali metals, hydrogen forms oxides, halides and sulfides. However, unlike alkali metals, it has a very high ionization enthalpy and does not possessive metallic characteristic under normal condition. In fact, in terms of the ionization enthalpy, hydrogen resembles more with halogens. Delta IH of lithium is 520 kilojoule mole inverse, F is 1680 kilojoule mole inverse, and that of H is 1312 kilojoule mole inverse. Like halogens, it forms a diatomic molecule combined with elements to form the hydrides and a large number of the covalent compounds. However, in terms of the reactivity, it is very low as compared to halogens, in spite of the in fact that hydrogen to a certain extent resemble both with alkali metals and the halogens. It differs from them as well. Now the pretended question arises as where should it be placed in the periodic table. Loss of the electron from hydrogen atom result in the nucleus H positive of nearly equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 picometer size. This is extremely small as compared to the normal atomic and the ionic size of the 50 to 200 picometer. As a consequence, H positive does not exist freely and is always associated with other atoms or molecules. Thus, it is unique in behavior and is therefore best placed separately in the periodic table. 9.2 dihydrogen H2 occurrence. Dihydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and is the principal element in the solar atmosphere. The giant planets Jupiter and Saturn consist mostly of the hydrogen. However, due to its high light nature, it is much less abundant in the Earth's atmosphere. Of course, in the combined form, it consists 15.4% of the Earth's crust and the ocean. In the combined form, besides in water, it occurs in plant and animal tissue, carbohydrates, protein, hydrides, including hydrocarbons and many other compounds. Isotopes of the hydrogen. Hydrogen has three isotopes: protium H11, deuterium H21D, and tritium H31OT. Can you guess how these isotopes differ from each other? These isotopes differs from one another is respect to the presence of the neutrons. Ordinary hydrogen protium has no neutrons. Deuterium, also known as heavy hydrogen, has one, and tritium has two neutrons in the nucleus. In the year 1934, an American scientist, Harold C. Urey, got Nobel Prize for separating hydrogen isotopes of mass number by physical methods. The predominant form is protium. Terrestrial hydrogen contains 0.0156% of the deuterium, mostly in the form of Hd. The tritium concentration is about 1 atom per 10 raised to the power 18 atoms of the protium. Of these isotopes, only tritium is radioactive and emits low energy beta negative particles Since the isotope have the same electronic configuration, they have almost the same chemical properties. The only difference in their rates of reactions, mainly due to their different enthalpy of the bond association. However, in physical properties, these isotopes differ considerably due to their large masses differences. Preparation of the dihydrogen H2. There are a number of the methods for preparing dihydrogen from the metal and metal hydride. Laboratory preparation of the dihydrogen. It is usually prepared by the reaction of the galvanized zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid. Zn plus 2H positive gives Zn2 positive plus H2. It can also be prepared by the reaction of the zinc with aqueous alkali. Zn plus 2 NaOH, Na2 ZnO2 plus H2. Commercial production of the dihydrogen. The commonly used processes are outlined below. Electrolysis of the acidified water using platinum electrodes gives hydrogen. 2H2O liquid gives hydrolysis. Traces of acid and base. 2H positive gas plus 2H O2 gas. High purity dihydrogen is obtained by electrolyzing warm aqueous barium hydroxide solution between nickel electrodes. It is obtained as a byproduct in the manufacture of the sodium hydroxide and chlorine by the electrolysis of the brine solution. During the electrolysis, the reaction takes place are at anode. 2 Cl negative aqueous gives Cl2 gas plus 2 electron. At cathode, 2 H2O liquid plus 2 electron gives H2 gas plus OH negative aqueous. The overall reaction is 2 Na positive aqueous plus 2 Cl negative aqueous plus 2 H2O liquid gives Cl2 gas plus H2 gas plus 2 Na positive aqueous plus 2 OH negative aqueous. Reaction of the steam on hydrocarbon or coke at high temperatures in the presence of the catalyst yields hydrogen. CnH2n plus 2 plus NH2O gives 1270 K. In presence of nickel and CO plus 2n plus 1 H2 CH4 gas plus H2O gas gives CO gas plus 3 H2 gas. The mixture of the CO and H2 is called the water gas, as this mixture of CO and H2 used for the synthesis of the methanol and a number of the hydrocarbons. It is also called synthesis gas or syngas. Nowadays, syngas is produced from the sewage, sawdust, scrap wood, newspapers, etc. The process of producing syngas from coal is called coal gasification. C. Carbon solid plus H2O gas gives 1270 K. CO gas plus H2 gas. The production of the dihydrogen can be increased by reacting carbon monoxide of the syngas mixtures with steam in the presence of the iron chromate as catalyst. CO gas plus H2O gas gives CO2 gas plus H2 gas. This is called water gas shift reaction. Carbon dioxide is removed by scrubbing with sodium acetic as solution. Presently, nearly equal to 77% of the industrial dihydrogen is produced from petrochemical, 18% from coal, 4% from electrolysis of the aqueous solution, and 1% from other sources. Properties of dihydrogen. Physical properties. Dihydrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, combustible gas. It is lighter than air and insoluble in water. Its other physical properties along with those of the deuterium are given in the table. 9.1 Chemical properties. The chemical behavior of the dihydrogen, and for that matter any molecule, is determined to a large extent by bond association enthalpy. The HH bond association enthalpy is the highest for a single bond between two atoms of any element. What inferences would you draw from this fact? This is because of this factor that the association of dihydrogen into its atoms is only 0.081%, around 2000 Kelvin, which increases to 95.5% at 5000 Kelvin. Also, it is relatively inert at room temperature due to the high HH bond enthalpy. Thus, the atomic hydrogen produced at a high temperature in an electric arc or under ultraviolet radiation. Since its orbital is incomplete with 1s1 electronic configuration, it does not combine with almost all the elements. It accomplishes reaction by one loss of the only electron to give H positive, second gain of an electron to form H negative, and sharing electrons to form a single covalent bond. Reaction with halogen. It reacts with halogen X2 to give halogen halide H2 plus X2 gives 2HX. While the reaction with fluorine occurs even in the dark with iodine, it requires a catalyst. Reaction with dioxygen. It reacts with dioxygen to form a water. The reaction is highly exothermic. H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O liquid. Reaction with dinitrogen, it forms ammonia. H2 plus N2 gives 2H3. This method of the manufacture of the ammonia by the Haber's process. Reaction with metals, with many metals, it combines at high temperature to yield the corresponding hydrides. Reaction with the metal ions and metal oxide, it reduces some metal ions in aqueous solution and oxides of the less active than into corresponding metals. H2 gas plus reactions with organic compounds, it reacts with many organic compounds in the presence of the catalyst to give useful hydrogenated products of the commercial important. For example, use of dihydrogen. The largest single use of the dihydrogen is in the synthesis of the ammonia, which is used in the manufacture of the nitric acid and nitrogenous fertilizers. Dihydrogen is used in the manufacture of the vanaspati fat by the hydrogenation of the polyunsaturated vegetable oil like soybean, cotton seeds, etc. It is used in the manufacture of bulk organic chemicals, particularly methanol. It is widely used for the manufacture of the metal hydrides. It is used for the preparation of the hydrogen chloride, a highly useful chemical. In metallurgical process, it is used to reduce heavy metal oxides to metal. Atomic hydrogen and oxyhydrogen torches find us for cutting and welding purposes. Atomic hydrogen atoms are allowed to recombine on the surface to be welded to generate the temperature 4,000 Kelvin. It is used as a rocket fuel in the space research. Dihydrogen is used in the fuel cells for generating electrical energy. It has many advantages over the conventional fossil fuels and electric power. It does not produce any pollution and releases greater energy per unit mass of the fuel in the comparison to gasoline and other fuels. Hydrides dihydrogen under certain reactions conditions combine with almost all the elements except noble gases to form a binary compound called hydrides. If A is the symbol of the element, then hydride can be expressed as EHX. The hydrides are classified into the three categories: ionic or saline salt like hydrides, covalent or molecular hydrides, metallic or non stereometric halides. Ionic or saline hydrides, these are